Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, October 2018, 2025. Clea Pineda sumabog na sa pambabastos ng netizens, it's not easy. Grabe na ang natatanggap na pambabastos at pangnenega ng kapuso actress na si Clea Pineda mula sa mga taong mapanghusga sa social media. Kung noon ay mas pinipili na lamang ni Clea ang manahimik, ngayon ay nagdesisyon na siyang lumaban sa lahat ng taong walang ginawa kundi ang banatan siya. Sa pamamagitan ng isang video na ipinost niya sa Instagram, naglabas ng sama ng loob ang aktres at proud member ng LGBTQIA+ community sa matinding online bashing na nararanasan niya. I don't know why but I just really feel like speaking up about online bashing. I think this might actually be the first time I'm ever doing this, ang simulang mensahe ng Rumord partner ni Janela Salvador. Pagpapatuloy niya, first of all, I'm one of those people who still experiences heavy bashing online about my physical appearance, how I dress, the way I create my content, how I carry myself, even my skin color. And then there are all the things people accuse me of without even knowing the real story or what's actually happening in my personal life, aniya pa. Inamin ng aktres na tao lang din siya na nasasaktan at naaapektuhan ng below the belt na paninira sa kanya, lalo na't pati pamilya niya ay nadadamay na. Let me tell you this, it's not easy. It's not easy waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and the first thing you see are hurtful words from strangers who don't even know you. I've promised myself so many times that I'd stop reading the comments just to protect my mental health. It sounds simple, right? But it's hard. There are still moments when I can't help but look, especially when I post something on TikTok or Facebook that I genuinely like, when I feel good about myself, confident, and happy with what I'm sharing. But then, wow, some of the comments just hit differently. You have no idea how damaging words can be, how they can break someone emotionally and mentally, how they can destroy a person's confidence to even show up in public, ang pagbabahagi pa ni Clea. Sa huli, nagpaalala si Clea sa lahat ng mga netizens, lalo na sa mga taong walang ginawa kundi ang manira at manghusga ng kanilang kapwa. I'm sharing this because I want people to be more aware of how their words can affect someone. You might think it's nothing, but you never really know how deep that pain goes for the person on the other side of the screen. It hurts to think that sometimes, it takes someone losing their life before people realize how serious and deep this issue is. Let's always choose to be kind. None of us have the right to judge others, especially when we don't know their story. Please don't be the reason someone gives up on life. Be an inspiration instead. Help lift others up. Let this be a reminder to those who find joy in bashing and judging people online, use the right way. Stop the hate. Be kind, ang message pa ni Clea. Base sa mga nababasa naming comments ng netizens sa SOCMED, binabanatan ngayon si Clea dahil sa relasyon umano nila ni Janela Salvador. May mga nagsasabi ng masasamang salita tungkol sa pagiging lesbian niya at sa pakikipagrelasyon sa kapwa babae. Meron din namang nagtatanggol sa kanila ni Janela at nagpahayag ng pagsuporta sa kanilang relasyon. E-follow ang Instagram ni Clea. E-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.